Hi guys, tonight I came to Secret Recipe here in the Spring Mall. It's beautiful, newly relocated, and this place is looking quite amazing. Let's go and give it a try. This tree is looking really good. So here's the Secret Recipe menu. Let's check it out. They have dinner set, lunch set, and also special tea time. Beverages and nasi kerabu. Let's try some of them. Here came my chocolate indulgence and fresh watermelon juice. Let me give it a sip. Bismillah. So delicious. And here's the chocolate indulgence. Let me give it a try. Bismillah. Wow, so creamy. So deliciously looking amazing. Very delicious cake. I've ordered chicken platter and I have received my chicken platter. You can see they have given a piece of chicken, fried chicken here, and there are some chicken balls and some sauce. Let me give it a try. Bismillah. This is delicious. Spaghetti, French fries.